Vaheguru, student of class 8th standard. बच्चे we are going to start chapter number 12 construction. In your exercise 12.1 we have to construct the quadrilaterals. Now let us discuss the quadrilaterals. बच्चे quadrilaterals are those figures whose having four sides, or we can call that four vertices we will call that corners. These are known as the quadrilateral, like squares. See, if we will draw the square here, square having four sides 1, 2, 3 and 4, and these are known as the vertices. So those figures whose having four sides and four vertices or corners, these are known as the quadrilaterals. Squares, rectangles, parallelogram, these are known as the quadrilaterals. So now we are going to start exercise 12.1, the construction of quadrilaterals when there is one diagonal and sides are given. First question of exercise 12.1, we have to construct a quadrilateral. Name is given EASY, in which EA is given 6.2 centimeter, AS given 5.3 centimeter, SY given 5.9 centimeter, EY given here 4.9 centimeter, and ES given, that is 8.2 centimeter. We have to construct this quadrilateral. See बच्चे, there are given 1, 2, 3 and 4 sides, and let us assume that here we will construct that quadrilateral in which four sides and one diagonal are given. How we can construct? Firstly, let us draw a diagonal. First step, we have to draw a diagonal. You can take any diagonal, whichever you will want. Now we will draw a diagonal ES, that is 8.2 centimeter. Let us take a scale. We should draw a diagonal ES 8.2 centimeter. This is the point, initial point 8.2. E and S, we will give the names. One is E and one is S. That is 8.2 centimeter. Next is width. We will take E and S as a centers, so that we will draw the radii EA and AS. That means here we will draw one point, that is EA and AS. How we can draw? We will take the compass. Okay, see, EA is given 6.2, so open the compass 6.2 up to only 6.2. see there, from 0 and 6.2. Use E as a center and draw here arc, because we have to draw one point, that is A. Next is AS is given 5.3. Again similarly open the compass for the 5.3. Take as a center S, and we should cut the arc, first one arc. Again 6.2 here. So this is A point that is drawn using the center E and S. So we will meet the lines EA with the point center which is given here, and SA or AS similar. Next is, see there, SY and EY. That means from the down we will draw one again Y point. Here we will construct A, here we will construct the point Y, taking E and S again similarly as a center. See, EY is given 4.9 centimeter. Similarly, open the arc up to 4.9 centimeter from the 0 and 4.9 centimeter. See, this is 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 up to this. Open the arc E and Y. Take as a center E and draw here arc. Drawn. Similarly, E and Y we will draw here 4.9 and S and Y 5.9. Open the compass up to 5.9 from initial point 0. S similarly take as a center and cut that arc which we will draw here. So this is known as the point Y. So join EY and Y and S, or S and Y. Join these lines. These points we will join it. So here we will write here E and S, measurement of each and every line. S and Y, that is 5.9 centimeter we will draw. Next is E and Y we will draw here 4.9 centimeter. A and S is given 5.3 centimeter. E and A is given 6.2 centimeter. So this is the construction of the quadrilateral where one diagonal and the sides are given. How we can construct it? First step is draw a diagonal 8.2 centimeter, that is E and S. Afterward, second step is with E and S as a center and radius we will take 6.2 and 5.3. We should mark the arcs each other and draw a point here A. Third step is join these lines E and A and S. E and A is 6.2, A and S is 5.3 centimeter. And next point again, fourth step similar with the second, with E and S as a center and radius. Now we will take 5.9 and 4.9 centimeter. We should mark arcs that intersect with each other at a point of Y. After intersecting, we will join the lines, that is E and Y and S and Y. So here is this at E, A, S and Y. This is a construction of the EASY quadrilateral.